Every great window starts with precision, quality and a touch of craftsmanship. At Sidey, our uPVC windows aren't just made, they're engineered, step by step, right here in our state-of-the-art facility. Let's take a closer look at how a simple profile becomes a finished window ready for your home. It all starts here, where every uPVC window is built for strength and performance. First, uPVC profiles are cut to exact size using precision sewing at our machining centres. Every measurement is computer controlled to ensure a perfect fit. Steel reinforcements are added inside the profiles, giving each frame rigidity and long-lasting strength. Next, the frames are welded together under precise conditions of heat and pressure, creating high-quality, airtight corners that are strong and durable. Precision machines and tools then ensure clean, smooth and professional finishes on our window and door frames, enhancing both aesthetics, functionality and the preparation of the frames for drainage, hinges and locking mechanisms. Hardware and seals are carefully fitted by hand by our skilled fabricators, ensuring a smooth, secure operation every time you open or close the windows. The insulated glass unit is then placed into the frame and secured with glazing beads, giving optimal thermal efficiency and sound insulation. Finally, every window is tested for quality before being cleaned, packed and sent to the site, ready to transform homes with style and energy savings. From precision engineering to the perfect finish, that's how a uPVC window is made by Sidey.